Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock any user that you have blocked on your Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Call of Duty application or game on your device. And once it is opened up, you will gain access into the main menu after logging into your account. Now, once you log in and gain access to this page, in order to modify your block list and remove anyone from there, you will need to tap on the friends icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into the friends menu. Now, from the friends menu, if you look at the bottom left corner, you will find the blacklist button. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will find all of the users that you have blocked on your game. Just tap on the unblock button at the right side of the user that you want to block, and this user will directly be removed from your blacklist, which means that the user has been unblocked. If you unblock this user by mistake, then you can once again tap on their user ID, and from their account page you can tap on the blacklist option as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unblock someone that you have blocked on your Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.